is me, Kaylee, and go to Copia, go subscribe to his channel, and it's going to be on the link below, and somebody just texted me, and that's Alexis. Let's get started. So what do you have first?
I got a donut.
What kind?
It's a red pink donut.
A red pink donut. Let me see.
Okay, since she's texting someone, we're gonna move on to the next one. Dragon fruit. Y'all eat your fruit. It's important. And there, it looks like a heart.
Okay.
Whoops.
Where's the other one?
What other one? Yeah, I threw it over there.
Over where?
It was the donut one. There it is.
Okay, so I have a melon milk. It has a cute face, and it's green and yellow. And the next one I have is a squirrel, and it's really creepy, so bye!
You've got this.
Yeah.
And we got a Hello Kitty burger. Hello Kitty, bye Kitty.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show these two, and then you wanna show this last one?
Sure.
Go!
Okay. Last week, no wait. We got this Hello Kitty taco right there.
Squish it.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Hello Kitty.
Next, we got French fries. Who loves French fries? Comment down below. Boom, French fries. Hello Kitty French fries. And
Bye, Hello Kitty.
bye.
Don't break our TV.
No, we're not.
Yeah, your turn.
Okay. Last, for me, we got a panda.
I got the best for last, you guys.
Yeah. These are, the ones she has are new.
Yeah.
Whee.
Okay, last but not least is I have a vanilla cake with strawberry icing with strawberry on it. So squish it, shush, bye. And then ice cream, vanilla and strawberry with a cone. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go like, subscribe, comment, and comment. Go like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment, and go subscribe to Cultacopia. I'll put it in the description below.
Dramatic entrance.
You mean
I don't care.
Exit.
Dramatic exit.